my channel. From time to time I get some feedback from people that want to do some different videos. This one kind of took me by surprise. It's going to be really simple, but maybe it actually does help some people out there. Something pretty stupid, as you heard the lead-in song. It's going to be peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. You like your peanut butter and jelly sandwiches? This might be for you. It's going to be easier for you to prepare ahead of time and also not have that squishy sandwich later on. Like a lot of times happens when it's sitting in your lunchbox, in your bag, waiting for lunch for you to eat. When you have like a noontime lunch or a later lunch than when you came in the morning and you prepared the sandwich in the first place. So if you're familiar with my channel, I'm recently retired from construction. I was in construction for 30 years. I got banged up and I can no longer do it, so I had to retire. I also have another channel, it's a health channel, it's called Fibros66. Check that out, I'll put a link up there at the top. I'd appreciate if you clicked on that. It may help me out down the road. Right now it's small, but I'm trying to build it. So typically we have these containers, these sandwich containers that we take to work or school or wherever it is that you're taking your lunch. And you put your sandwich in there, you prepare it ahead of time, and by the time you eat it, it's soggy. That you put on there has bled right through the sandwich. It makes the bread soggy and it looks awful. So let's go ahead and get to this and let me see if I can help you out. Okay, here you have your typical items that you're going to prepare your peanut butter and jelly sandwiches with. You got like grape jelly. I'm going to use grape jelly in this. And a creamy peanut butter. This will also work with your nutty peanut butter. Now this is kind of like a gag video. I did it basically on a dare because someone asked me the other day how I made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and I really didn't think much of it. I thought, I did it for so many years, trying to get protein and a quick snack, that I never really thought much of it. But apparently people make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches the other way. Most people will take their peanut butter and they'll put it on one side here, and then they'll take their jelly and they'll put it on the other side there, and there you go. There's your sandwich. Pretty easy, right? Well, I've got another way of doing it, and this is going to help you from having that jelly bleed through. You're going to take your peanut butter, and you're going to smooth it out like you usually do. And you want to cover that bread as much as possible. Then you can take the other side, and you're going to put a layer of peanut butter there also. So now you've got peanut butter on both sides of your bread. Now, so the PC police don't get on me about using the same knife and getting into my jelly, use two knives. Now take your jelly. And you're going to smooth that out on there. Trust me, it's not cross-contaminated. It's staying with the jelly. The peanut butter's not mixing. So there you go. Now you got your jelly on that side. Just take your other half of peanut butter. Gonna place it over top like that. There you go. There's your peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now that jelly is not going to bleed through there because that layer of peanut butter creates a film and a seal with the oils and everything that it's not going to bleed through. And that's going to last you a while. So you can go ahead and put it in your container. Go Eagles. This container is a little small, but you get the idea. You put it on there, and you're good to go. Now, you can prepare this in advance like you wouldn't usually do with a regular peanut butter and jelly. The bread might be a little bit hard if you do it the night before, but hey, nobody's going to lose any sleep. It's prepared, you're ready to take it in the morning, ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and cut into my peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm ready to go. And there you go. Alright, so I don't know what kind of feedback I'm going to get on that. You might think it's stupid. You might think it's cool. I don't know. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you want. Let me know how you make out with your peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Once again, click that button down at the bottom. Share with your family and friends. I really appreciate it. It helps me grow this channel a little bit more. You never know what kind of video I'm going to come up with next. Take care.